Welcome back in our hottest show this morning. Kurunga etwani ya gatembe bono mabia wakire kiguma ensamo ni ya agata to bono mabia tote binga katokura nako tuliga iganere Daktari Babu Dennis Miruka igano mwalimu lecturer wa university na boigo mumanyibili chiko imambi ya bono katukwa na ndo chomogeri kila studio muna butambe kero wa madirita ndo chinga our guest no harama na intuboro mambia na ndo moko monenenga uchire ne birundo ndo chago gate kabisa timeti embrace kunguti engere njaramu ebo kendumburo lakini ngoto tayari wasinga kiaro che conditioniere asubuhi ngemo karibisha sembeo
karibu sana na ndio mwancho bulikire na boigo mwancho motegereri. Yes, Dr. Dominic
Dennis.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Wakire uyo wakire se.
Na kiensere kurusko gana kiwete akamburango nyako nyira kale.
Ngwakira nyasambi amono. Kere ngakingo chagusi. Oike umbure welcome. Ige minute ngango na pressings. And muna naigete actually yesterday ya ngumu kasumurusa. So naigete gusi nyasaya gancha.
Na kwa igete
umbure kango welcome.
Yes.
That is the beauty of the Kishi Atraji Kisii County.
Alright, asante. Sasa karibu sana bwana Daktari Dennis Miruka. Babu ni ilitalia bwana.
Yes, iko kwa ID.
Igongane ti ngotenga Babu. Totebiga eninga so mwanchu muliro tukoligere tigali. What are you doing? Na arenga ikwarule.
Before you nchonda asebali bandigere nkora bakwani bwakire buyaminto mwese bimgusi yasa mwabeta abali bale isco nyonyenyi weta we diaspora nya paka America nkoligere libale TV ya gatembe they are more supportive muna mwe gule njengoro ko Dr. Dennis Babu Miruka nje no mwana okusi nyiboire sauti mogirango from the site ye tago ege chichige koro kumuma mu sub location ya Liramani into ngova lendera umupaka na ande Nairobi no amenyata is like my second home nje na arabe iro mwalimu we university lecturer for a number of universities nyangu siga igana so mi school of law from 2014 2016 na so mi Kenyatta University School of Law na Saline Management University currently one igande Multimedia University and the Department of Business and Social Sciences. And apart from that, I'm a counselor, ngokoranda mangana counseling. I'm also a mediator, not only in Kenya, even internationally. Another advantage, I've also worked in Uganda for quite a time. Na calling negas Tanzania. One of the East Africa.
Yes.
In terms of education, I guess onere wonu mumanyi umaita mangana ya masomo. Wona bonkuligere Buganda na ronga kiwa akora Tanzania, Rwanda na Kenya. Igo nduro chinga nabo we did this analysis na bakoranga nimbato manyu yake.
Yes, kwa rabe reseme no what experience.
Alright, tukwa na igoro mangana high wage bill and employment as county chito bono mambia katukwa nera wage bill Daktari Dennis Babu omugusi omo Kenya urasi county chito ayino mumanyibuli chiko nande omumanyibuli seme mangana wage bill nokuliko kwa Bantasi County
katukuli a country ya Kenya amangana wage bill is a concern now. It is a national issue apart from counties because I know each county just be allocation from national government. Our debt as a country ya chile 12.4 trillion. We spend more aso wakane mesara chi county Kenya ngima. And there is a percentage internationally to when to go to your expense again more than 35%.
Oh, yes.
One Kenya munango kwa na igato 46.6% wage bill. Ngamuna bono buo kwa galia okonya okuli musare 10 ko so 20.
Yes.
Wono nyolenga almost 50% iko kutumeke ndagera igwete kwatige na like 50% maybe into window what and what bono kere country muno kuligere Kenya we are struggling in development digital we seek support from outside na development yiga chibese chito ko saba kwanya chachira semesara igo country te kunyara kogendera guchimotu so the economy is training muna bono Kenya kerangu nyeligereri I remember even there is that lady Ogodina Mangana Finance she came with a very edatengia yokorokia se ense yaikeire kworokinga kare which biria kwenda guchimotu go minetinga nyambali bali serikali chibesa njire ba misuse muna bono gende chi office nyingo kanyora abantu abanyakoli chi propaganda yawo ebintu ete bile unnecessary spending mbali koligere priority ekigyon singo affect kere muna bono buo gonyole nga budget zigoswa ebintu mbirora gani ko reduce so that onyola kabesa kali ogotwa okonyora ngoso akale ne kibese kigotwa bono Kenya muna tuliga the reality now the fundamental question we are crying aki ewage period chire gosobono lakini bondu makanyora bali ba understand team ne country go stock especially from the leadership of president muna last week kera lituko arangiria bantu state house akunya ko baenda age akoba sera kibesa 100 million 80 million I remember a few days ago I got some newspaper from our respected retired Chief Justice Maraga okumubuli kibese junya go bribe abantu state house nekire kicharanjiri sikoga gachigo strike nkware ngo tokubwata kibese ikiyo wakane abali mbaso class basomia bana inge kogera it is not only Kenya kero kuligere Africa ne country jinatali I don't know nga inkie kebentu Africa totally konyara go choose what is the priority isn't it bono enga likanko genda ndu kibeso mwana ganyole pasali ande university asome kwanya kibese kina kolenta na kwara ikimia
kwangolera maru
muna bono go sero go ichire gusiga are you seeing mo komboli nga inguru kibese kiko kogera umusaro ne munyu manyeto nyende serikali ikobono keto kuligereri government yeito is more of one baligeti 2027 amangana siasa kugura wa Kenya lika togwenda ko use kibese icho when we talk of wage bill muna bali baso meta mangana economics mangana planning what and what they will tell you that any shilling etakeire bono kuba utilized well ne serikali nyona abantu konya gutara isukan necessary anything etari kolente faida as a country they are not supposed to travel outside the country unnecessary expenses. If you look at like now the president, you know, traveling ya kwenda isiko muna bono iga the current president traveling ya chiro almost 50 times. Imagine Kibaki, our former president, in 10 years atalete 33 times. That is 10 years. Oligereli a president ya itobono iga within 3 years otali isiko mara gosene mia wanonga kitoko kwa igoro ye wage bill still into our tueka we don't want to strain. Remember even the chances he promised about to reduce wage bill through what quarantine through the cabinet and such things. In a nutshell, a wage bill it depends us leadership na intu nyona wananchi nga kitoko spend chibese cha serikali.
Mheshimiwa Babu,
yes,
do you want to say kero engse amadeni ni expenditure ko babobe umuntu ko mujire president
not like that nyone family kere bintu bitayiko enda buya everything will come back as a part of the nation because not the president ko enda kerase ko plan muna bono ntobwata counties tali yero goja kongenda amangana chi governor like now most of the governors have been implicated about misuse of resources. You know, this is a simple thing. We normally get it wrong once we don't get the governors who understand it about the economy. Most of them karoko baligere in the large all of the country nyonyangu siana igule nyone governor yaito there are allegations about spending. This is not about personal. It is all of us. The little resources to konyora onye chiko genda chionse ase misara muna bono Kisii County. Na kiuro chibono chi project chinyinge chiteneine. I'm sorry, the former governor Ongwae might not be popular to many people, lakini njekera nkumuligereri during his tenure kerokoligereri Kisii County na tema konye igora chipara. Ndoche I was surprised nga Kisii nere nebwate highway kerokorwa kwa ndamuna go chimigol. That is a plus, and actually during his time oligereri omuchiyo yogusina igorete class. I've not come here to promote or to discredit anybody, lakini tuwebo already swelling aki governor itole bono igo in project bono iga, for example ndoje togenda sa election kalegocha tigangara atebanga ki project ki akolire turanyare kwinyora muna bono mheshimiwa Uhuru nationally is the part of what lots in this country, isn't it? Agatoletera Huduma Center, SGR equation here arengenga. Those projects were expensive and actually were affected by OHP. Lakini the truth is ngaki ebintu ebinko birorato.
Okay, thank you. Matilda.
Yes, daktari.
Yes.
Kino tukuri unabone county ya Kisii ndoche tukurigereria nero ne tangaine. Actually kino kurigereria boninga nere tangaina samangana wage bill go so wakane mishahara ekogenda paka chibese chonsi ekobe total ya 60% of what serikali go serikali ya county yobwate na lakini ukurigereria bona se nationally unabona kero lecturers are on strike kwanya orekera sekero tugwate nurses on strike aba nyagitari aba byo biga binde byonsi kwamba konyoranga umushahara bado chibese chinyingi chiko nase mishahara lakini aba koli mirimo ni go on strike indi kaenga ne yiga irachigoika etokenga compliance nera rogucha se percentage iriga neri na boy kokone ke buna aba koli mirimo banyorire ngeri yabo ekero kega neri na ndebo ikirano.
Asante kero kuligire mangana ya masomo na siasa binte biko ndamu.
Yes.
Kero nko inyora our former president Moi njuma tena kininga kia Moi. I never thought there would be another president. Moi alikuwa anasema siasa mbaya maisha mbaya. Kero to kora siasa embe iko konyora ngama gendero na arako affected. Muna bona Kisii County, kerogoli Kisii County is one of a county entenenkusane bwata resources. Nyonyentura ikira tukwa na masho igoro ya siasa muna nchende ga igabono iga abana inchi batebire 2027 batagete inchi kobe senator ya Kisii County. Especially abana ngosoma Michi University. I've been amangana yoko lecturer for the last 16 years. Experience ina arolire. Nyone government nguranya konyanda mangana policies. Okoera katore in academics, we write books, we publish, kwanda tulichi conference. Na ande keroguli muna bona I also participated in mangana BBI kagera tukanyangusha. I was one of the pioneer yoko make BBI because it was only promoting politicians. It was not coming from the Kenyan people. Igo kerotobuate engane tokonyeligereri Kisii teliko genda buya. Kisii yali igo chabuya liria mangana ichi county ya Chaka. Na ande kerokoligereri mono Kisii it's almost what you weta Kisumu in terms of what amangana entrepreneur because abagusirira abantu bakwirigeria biasara ebibike no genda nyo Nairobi. Keronkoro umuntu kubutole mesi kusamba kibando oyingumano njengo ja gukwaneke gusirio so abantu baito no genda paka nyiwete nyona America rero n'ekinsaga bagosime kobon eminute nganto bwate instinct yo kweriga igonga abantu ba Kisii County nkuru bari kibese tax muneta kero bone ishi yegoja egavana umuntu kwanya egavana okolira matukoma kaiga serikali lakini ko igunga ki project yakolete kirikiaye echire igoro lifestyle yae. Are you getting the point? Muna bono ngakiura ntebi, you are from a poor family, lakini ya bono bwate nyone gali ogotara nero is very expensive. Nyone kero ogotara njera, you know, ama isa nara kogenda nikibesa mapata ali mokonyo.
Right, so bana Daktari Babu. Now kero tuko na wage bill bado. Now, what is the solution? I wish be reach a say and the county. Solution.
The solution is very simple.
Yes.
It is first to accept that our economy is struggling.
Okay.
And when the economy is struggling, it went to the drawing board. To ikaranse mesa as a nation to running a king to went to
Oh yes.
Namanganda like negotiation. We agree in our expenditure. Tomanyanga nyona bantu abali kireki gas. Do we have ghost workers? Nyongisi county ana igwa mangana ghost workers, but what we need is about evidence, not about the ESA. Sometimes politicians they use it for popularity, isn't it? So kerotu aligiri ga butuma kuligie ga na ande tumanyanga ki kibesa irenga to wakana towards the national wase county basket. Tumanyanga kibesa na chichi to bwata. Tumango ikaransa to create a budget giri chichi kogenda for mangana education achinde chigende emisahara na ande I've seen nyona sande keroya ikire abantu bali bawo chikoritaya baikire myaka go 60 and what they can be given an offer.
Yes.
They have early retirement. That's one of the strategy you could reduce that wage bill. Yes. Voluntarily, and you have to follow, I'm from the labor and the human rights. Not like dismissing somebody without a procedure yet because again the government will find itself in court or to a lot of litigations, isn't it? Okay. So there is a colleague that one na bakonyanga to a this rig up na abantu babe ni college to wakana ebango. Once people bagwakana tax yere ndubuya kwaralire muna bononka ite Kisi county konyolere kibasa chikoru from the county, I mean the national government. It depends na leadership bono ye governor. What is the priority?
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Wachubuliringa inyoranga nasi tuwani yagetembe mambia bono I and materita obaiwa tulamono mugeni twegeiga Daktari Dennis Babu Miruka se studio ya masemo oyune lecturer na boigo mwenye ibweli chiko as university tubulire mangana iga yejuwejbela si county chito ekerogo tubuati agenda gutulikira ujumbe materita banyoli anse Samuel tokotoka bono mabia
Chinsemo chiri cha Facebook watonyora muna Getembe TV na wigo chinsemo chiri cha YouTube tonyora muna Getembe TV.
Nsabari ya SMS boigoni goto ulete enyonge yure wahazi tulikere ujumbe chiruta sobonge kigma 0741 583878 boigo 0726 447367 jinabe ichichi wakolemeremo beka a comment chakanitali yago gali gotulikira ntuntuli bangitingo soma tole na boigo kuligirelia okwani kwa nkurukyoko bono mambia mangana kurukunga staffs as county bias in employing staffs. Do you have any remedy? What I
will tell you, my brother, Kenya nense korayu ne lichiko. We have a constitution.
Yes.
Ndukwate katiba itu achawaleta. Nyonye ne kerega asigo tangazwa. Eta kerekoba uwazi. Muna bono yanga eteka IDF mbacha balike. You have seen the way yawe ila advertised. Which is good. Lakini bona kereko ego ikaendeleo ile nao kabisa kwa nyoranga abantu bange etonalete ko fefa abantu bali umanyite ubwata interest osama ngana yogo change kibesa kwa ukibesa umuntu makwa wegasi igenteketalinga nkisi county yoka it is all over the country na hande munanje bono mumanyi weli chiko I participated in mangana a devolution.
Yes.
To have these counties. And the Kerokuligel framers ve katiba ya ito eba bwate ani interest yengia okogera bata ite resources chicha so mwananchi. Lakini bono ga Kerokuligel linche my own opinion. Amangana devolution is like a disaster. We have just tuachakire gotininki abantu bakeigo ase muna Kisi county a population that me assume 2 million na ande sauli won to bwata mati yanga chikoligi chikura etokata ngere 3 million 4 million egere nyomba libale ko central na libara mwe chikura gosoma ngakibono okora nyona ya sole otoyo mino na okora support umaite iga gusibono iga kende yonse gukwana etokata nga mati yangito tosha bono keronko ligereri issue yikeronko nyeligereri in terms of employment nyoni njita is a time na da ko ligie gasi ga Kisii county tari ko ngaine linde 5 years ago. Even the way yoko was shortlisted go iko umanye somebody ro muna kero mheshimiwa kwamba lengo gosenereje what and what. Actually there was no transparency. I'm telling you. And if you get abantu muna intubono tosomete na abande, we are not given this opportunity. Okonyanga you apply kero wika shortlisting, your name is not there. Somebody who is not qualified kwanyoro very given opportunity kero uji kumuri wate na kolete gento getengarwebesa ngama kwa shortlisted. That is a disease we have in this country. Even when we started this country since independence, one of our setback as in say to Kenya namangana corruption. When Obama came to this country some years back, he said even America telling a corruption to you. At the difference in America and Kenya, America is about the law and the policy. The moment you can corruption, that is it. You will face the law. One on TV, when somebody was arguing that tinko ibate ni milioni nko bwatu ngene mbeke beri ya 50 million oyino mokenyo matoko lengererigo oroje bono muntu muno yo kwana igo no ja ko materia mangana corruption ya manya obuya you know it is like to aburugeire amangana yo boibi warorire na ande bono siasa yachi yaso ime kwanyoranga gosene gavana ebugate chikesi munanyi wetu ose gavana ita he was almost being alleged of some issues akaminyoka se president bakaigwana tindara okoba someone like maybe other governors. Are you getting? We are not saying that is the truth. That's just an allegation. Or are you getting the point? Even other counties, those who are related to the government, they have not been summoned to go and answer questions. So we are fighting selective corruption, even starting from the national government. One I want to get otenga na wabwata mangana corruption ni ICC waenda baba interrogated patinaro kumanya nga kiunere the chief of corruption kwa makanyanga na anda atigaire free what kind of double standards you what one in corruption ga kitoko fight we are just joking enga muna bana balidi tu enga baketo kunya korosi bikoli gesu what isike ekina kitogende to carbonio no roje muna bono. Sometimes I like our retired Chief Justice Maraga. Keroko murigere kerego ike issue ya corruption. It starts from himself. Akoro kananga tinkomanya n'umuntu gete otanje ti corruption. Yani nando wanu buya no mukristo ne la kanisa. Kwarode tinkomanya nga twensipia wa Kenya na watu wende kutwale mbweyo. Actually ebinte binde tikatora ni kurwa sabantu bali aba yatubwata Kenya. Kero muntu abe igonyo leaders bali bali serikali muna bono njega muna bananchi banchirije ngo jakobe senator ya Kisii 2027 ege ntongo chikobalendera na mangana ya tukunya kukwana WHP nechibesa because I will be oversighting mune constitution yoko nchibono ninga understand it kero kuligere article 10 ya constitution chapter 6 that is article 73 ngakukwana mangana leadership bono goja kanyore gavana nko nyi oversight na andinje tinko mu accuse bolimo nko ligi evidence na nyoro bisa ine buya kabisa yone kerago chikoba accused gosene court yako genda. In fact, it akunyara we defend because you konyanga nimbwate that good background yoko manyanga ki kerona ile case go chimotu ngochi kerego succeed.
Daktari,
yes.
Daktari tu kwa mangana promotions and avo iko oko wachi transfer kwa bakolia meremo anamona siki serikali church county ningirichi korigote baigoro ya promotions na baigoro transfers. Ekero kurigereria mangana devolution na boigo ninki gekogera mangana ya gatari kubwatibo
kero kurigereria nyoni nche na bwata one of my family ngakigeta atake ngokorega su Mombasa atakire konyore transfer aje gocha Nairobi kero ngochiko bwate nena nyota ngaki there is a policy nga oiko work somewhere like 5 years unless no bwate emergency issues muna what oborwaire na kendo tari kunyara kobere ase NCMA lakini bono iga kero kurigereri kero umuntu ataite kwenda sobonka okoregasi da kero tukurigereri under national spirit kinsenkire muna bono kero kurige northern part of Kenya mugo chikosomio however lende insecurity naro nero nyoni je bono ntebinge ndo tingochi because it is life and death Oninge na sengo jiko. So kero kunyirigere dynamics ne chinyinge chire, but we need a good policy ego chiko balance in terms of equity and equality. Wono iko konyoranga sometimes there is allegation of favoritism. But what I know, there is a policy you have to be somewhere for 5 years, and from there, a transfer, you must have grounds. But sometimes, understood. Lakini bono abantu abange maybe bako misuse that opportunity or lakini as a Kenyan otakeire ko kolega asiandos within the jurisdiction ye country yeito nande naboko menyandos nelinga bona kwenda issue ya serikali muna bona not part of Kenya abali mbaito mba ngente tuo sana nande kero nkolige ngente kinyo abange bakwanga guchyo ekine kintu kimanyire Kenya ngimangaki asa ali guchirogoro turuka those about Ethiopia Somali talia gaya okogera sababu mbaro nyombo no gutemwe gweta allegation neronga abasikali gose na ba Somali no abale Kenya nande kero kubuli bintu mune biga government ye gukana the question to kubuli ngaki once bagunya goja in security ekogendera tuguja konya limo bajakire gotikira nga gaburu goronso igo ine normally that is again to kwenda serikali and dia to sabere serikali yaita amaya umaitege nto kwenda ko differentiate go support or not never ngatindi go support serikali lakini nerero we katoba a chance because constitutionally bono iga mbabuga te right yoko be serikali 5 years isn't it kera ikire bono 2027 na kitoba tabya bantu ngaki ande moja aka kunya kolera ingaki yego ika makoro wa musio muya muna bono ga gusingonya ko batabya ngaki incha senkale na matiangi abo bono mwamu kubeka chikura chino.
Daktari Miruka. Yes. Wakonira amangana mange sana igoro ya mangana employment na starving as a county cheito. Hayo wakolere mirimo isiko yensi ya Kenya, wakolere mirimo yensi ya Tanzania, wakolere mirimo yensi ya Uganda. Ekirukuligeria in our counties. Do we have quality staffs amangana qualified staffs in our counties?
Kena nkuligeria Kenya ngima. One of our identity in East Africa, even the whole world. Kenya tumanyirenga to what quality of resource in terms of our colleagues. Na kia konyora chinse chinyinga. Omo Kenya ura average iga naenda America iga ago perform excellent. Muna I had somebody okwananga kero kuligereri form 6 ya Tanzania. Omo Kenya ako iboruga muna nyatara so school ale lebo ya form 6 ya Tanzania. Na wera Tanzania aba Kenya na bange baro na ande kero kuligereri in terms of amangana human resource Kenya we are much far ahead like 50 years ahead 100 years. Nyonyamboga under the same thing. Wana gento kuligereri government yaito nko babori gabali baro. Inki mugwanchira abantu baitu bali mo qualified baenda isiko baira obumanyisiko muna bono njiga obumanyi bwa no bonge na boirire isiko kangango balenda kusiga egere develop nenge seito mata abantu abange tuakinira ubutaka emechango tukamanya gusoma tukonia malemo onye nditoko nyona into opportunity space na bokonyora nga tuakonyire oburai gusi tu university lakini bono neri okonyanga abarai bali mutu abange bako bascared kero baruche nga you know something gosengo chiro kolenta you know mbali konyara go promote those who are coming up. Actually you will find them, they will start fighting you. Muna bono bai gure nga abana inchi na abana inchi batagete are you seeing like the chances Oroje University jina so East Africa na Kenya abana funzi na so na abange nyankisiga abange na bungo chikoligererie media bande timba manyeti na bagote banga kerwa ndigereiri my stature my character and everything is a opportunity ngose na wele senator 2027 I will be one of a legislator who will be able to harmonize ibintu bitoko ngonya gukwana igoro ya corruption leadership because I believe about principles of natural justice, fairness, reasonable and justice. Are you getting? And go promote abantu bali kurunse ko balenta go chego. Nchina kinero obutaka no bugiranga alikene nkiarengo. Roche kana nyolire chance mune yu muna bono igantoka ndete ko changira like abana baenda chi university, chi college, bali vulnerable. We have almost supported them not only this out Mugango across Kisii County alias Nkonyala. Madno rugento ke keigo omwana ende university onero go chikarento nga
Daktari, ekero kwa nilingani watabanga sometimes moko denied opportunity inubali andake mo qualified as each county cheito. Do you think umwana inchi oyomo Kenya ogochoro murai ngo contribute yale as a type of leadership ogochorwa ndake aubago ikababa stumbling blocks gutanga the qualified staffs bali went okora emirimo mbaka nyoro opportunity mwana inchi ngo bali blame
njeti ngo prem mwana inchi wana muna kulike gasi county gaiga ngayo mwana inchi agochera gote gokonyoranga bali batene tamanga na employment iga Kisii County na rate mire kabere gatatu kuruta ma application yo kero kuligereri abantu bali qualified netabani inche buyeka nabasani bane bali basometa bande chi professor sana maite igo konyoranga ki bali ko shortlisted boneti egento ngetwate banga sisi ne rororo bonere not only Kisii County kanga oikomanyo muntu kete kwarorire apart from gosena application eri wakolire ogochikobwati your credentials I'm not saying it is all but as omuntu kulizo nenje obwata orote senses na bokotebanga ki no enda nyone county ge igonyora abantu abange bali kiro konyanga bali bakirete gabana goseka baneri achiete nero no bala sesereka muna bono it is worse even some other friends abajete bakaye ubo chief minister abandi bali bamakonyete campaign na buba succeeded go chakobago se shortlisted bono yokero kuligere dynamics chironke ngaki ntoli was ebinte biga kerego ikira mangana employment kero munta gute fair chance omaite ndangire ku interview alafu mbekerwa max nyorende number 5 I will be happy because kero kuligere linga kina njenegu a chance ni maite ngali baganeli muna bone kero to ko 2027 nyorende ndabantu banjire ninje libaganeli mu ayu abange mbale bahoja gutaka ko jigocha lakini umwana inji gago jigokora gendo no yomo uli ujikonyola chikula chinyi the same case kero advertise ya mapakana ababira tatata tikabarangeria bamura baita bange to sigikani gari as interview uli onyorire onye process yere fair na ina bokolitika otanga ki there is another day mambineron anabongote na bie bitogo saba talinga ne rasi manga go sevenga ninje nkoliku nini bono nya nali kirusiko chikantu ringonya wachigas kirenga ki bono there is no need ndatebenga ki ni rasima niwe huko na bakenya bange buyega bono iga balisiko gukora chigas na ande ba proof beyond what beyond doubt again that's why Kenya is losing so abantaba ya bachire isiko bono kwa makanyora bali abange I'm not saying so, all of them. Somebody might accuse me. Lakini kwa nyanga umuntu once you might kwega asi and then somebody who is not qualified or what the correct information qualification at the end of the day in that office there will be a lot of loopholes even though mne bitoko kwana.
Yes, daktari ekero obukwandira abande ngori gubare mirimo ene serikali ya county kiro to kumargira bune county ito ya Kisii na county chinde okonyoranga igati aba rwali gose abanyagitari bare babiri bako resign igati ya staffs gose officials bare babiri bagwetigie mirimo ninkige kuirira abantu bakora mirimo be county batebanga bono titokonyara kogendera
kero kuligeriri issue y'abantu ko resign gose gotige mirimo tokunyirigereri site kero kunyirigereri muna bono na watenga muri sa cancer ama chamberlain. There is also psychological tortures about colleagues. Okonyoranga in terms of even working hours. Muna bono lichiko ligotenga ki kerkuwa likirito went to go more than 8 hours. Over than that, you went to go up 8 overtime. I don't know about your policy here, lakini that is what is general. Yes. And I'm not here to incite you. Yes. After 8 hours, whatever you will be doing from there, wente ko was overtime muna mwarorire njeno mwakiria mangana labor and international human rights, isn't it? Na andike rukuligere Kenya yoni nchibono igasengo kole mirimo sometimes igongoseka because ebinte bingo kwana there is a lot of violation. Okonya umuntu atete nkole gas kurusambi mpaka what sambiri ya margo kero kuchikuligere wale ba laws they are very clear. Na ndabona kwa makonyora aba employers weitwa abange mba understand tiri chikeli they are misusing bono uligere iganya ni supermarket chire kusiga iga chi abantu abange balikira gote bakunyanyaso okonyora nga policies nchiri kubwata umusiko yo kurukote neta mangana aleba atulie country ngima orojo okolire gasi for 50 years konyen abande tutara iburu paka bono igane ruro erekere serikali nengia. Are you getting the point? Is not interested kumanya amangana aleba what labor rights in the country. Kanga bono nero gotetea muna abantu abakonyonga especially muna the issue yaba nyagitari. Aba nyagitari they go a lot of trauma. Na atemire kugamba nabangi. Kero bali in that situation mpatakire baegu accompaniment. Number 1 babe close knit family chiabo. Number 2 na baegu medical coverage recently nkwa roje bago reisi amangana medical cover. Bono babu ngaki we are endangered. Sometimes they handle patients who have dangerous diseases. Indio bono konyora mbali covered. Ebinte bikero kubigire byonse nakasara ka libako karaga. They don't have housing what cover. What do you expect? Muna bono as a counselor abantu abade need a lot. Nyombara umba kwenda kwa ndibintu mitokoro kanga debriefing. Egere banyore opportunity kero baburi gunga ngaki surrounding yegas bakora. Korwa ubana batokumanya ngaki ngige ko ba affect ko era nkongwenda tuli kuruze many what medic like in time ya corona bange they resigned because of trauma. Nande ya bete the whole world, not only in Kenya, everywhere. Abantu you see nere mwanya abantu akora abantu bago in terms of a few minutes abantu bakunyo iko milimo okonyora ngegendo kirige ko mwafe iko eserikali ya igoro national government ne county they should look a balance muna bono iganande abange mbagwata issue nga ebatakete national government yaba akanemeshara because ye county ro chokonyora ukora 3 months yama kubakana one inegasi abande mbagwata chi family. So that's what they are facing. Not only the Kisii County, across the other counties, the delay of salaries. Bono konya muntu tai kunyara kuebanga. Abande bo putibata ngalike nintiga. That is I think an issue.
Daktari, don't you think a crisis in Kichikopa Asia bakori mirimo ekra bagenda to wetige mirimo nchira kuneiga. Obo manje boli bwa bono boli kuchiko tumeka nainde. Ose the wrong people go chibare ko ba infiltrated baso ase serikali.
Muna whatever igo. Oniga abanyagitari abange batamire bakare chinse chisiko muna bono chinse cha Europe kero koleto kosi yobonasi ne abanyono bwalimu eba ukurangeli nyone ticket bagutumira igo ngotwara tole riski yoko chiko korusi human resource in terms amangana amedic kokogera muna bona bankero bajiri chinse muna jicha bolaya umunyagitari na abenas this health assistant nurses they are paid well and they are taken care of. And I got in Kenya, we are very far behind in terms of labor legislation. We don't have experts in terms of labor. Now, they have not understood mangana labor. Colleagues, my rights, sometimes they are violated. I teach in universities. They delay our salaries. Okogendo sometimes we go chakanga either you go for litigation, you withheld amatem kwa makiri. You know, it is an awkward situation. Kwa makanyora one of the university ekwagache building ya 7 million. Lakini kero kuligere structure ye wenda kwa 350-400 million. Kwa rodi abalimu kwanyora mbarakan for 2 years. Now the question is, what is the priority? Aya, they don't have books. Are you seeing? there is a competition in the whole country, especially in universities, who bring structures kitabu ati maana, isn't it? Lakini garukuligeria abantu bali very important. Muna the lecturers, the whatever, batakeire comment kibasa kyabo wanyoranga the government is not telikoba ligere libuya. Abono nwatu kuchitwa twagosa mune serikali ye county nyone national government.
Alright, so bono mwancho mwaligeringa ketunye kusangamo na jabona mambia walimu kutubuati ya sibi tandao. Shukrani sana asinchu kwenye kurubi ngali biyako eliteli ya unilinga nchu asuku ligere kurwa mabono nduchigali ebunda nchike kurwa iringa agotabanga harassment at work is human right. Inkubuati ukera kwa agotenga abantu bali kwa harass yasemeremo ebiuno mu manyibuli chibugo cyo tebimanga nayo ototebinga kiyakoba kule nayo mwenyene na kutoka libaga 0741583878 iligero nasanga na into sembe obono mabya kubuli sibibiri sato choka iga tunachiko ndo mutumo komo ketra manyanga ayekerege kya unkirikeke andake liboli osokomenta aiga daktari Dennis Babu Miruka kwanera gabono mambia Iwetega kaligo kwa nanga abantu batebire. Gatembe, hello, good morning. Gatembe TV and radio, hello, good morning. Hello Gatembe.
Hello Gatembe.
Yes.
Wakire buya.
Ebo kietese onye ansule bwakire buya tadi.
Ne jobre isomoni ko Masimba Town Center.
Right.
Nari ko boringa ukwanira mangani kire kichara igoro muna bago amete ngakiye. Bono nari ko boringa eserikali yabamenda kibesa irinde bayira nemeremo bakanga. Bono ingi yakara batari ko irane rikiare serikali yabamendire gusera andi batage tefe sigete batage komendwa.
Abure kichara kwanira. Hello.
Hello.
Rekichara kwanira.
Ne kira kijara singo kwanira.
Asante sana libuli yule ikueka nirengo irane liale iga. Asante sana Geoffrey Somoni good enough nga daktari is one of the lecturers of the country na ande uigule nga libuli kwa libuli ria. Asante sana 0741583878 abukwa na intuka iga esimi ayama sayemo 072644 7367 0741583878 jinambe chichire waze ansibirengere byako bono mambya akurunga Edwin Rangi bono mambya agotabanga good morning on Sarigo na Matilda nkwanire daktari gawa assist matu kwa namangana baya ine do you thinking abagava na baito ngo contribute barasa mangana corruption yokolika bantu ngose nabo bago chike bali batenta bano kolika bakubuliko do you think nabirebo nabagava nangu sembe barasa mangana alinga umuntu kolikungo uyo tali kolikuningo ine libuliria ye nkolengo ulichukulira nini Gatembe good morning hello
Jana daktari
bwakire bya omwalimu
good morning
aye kolera ngaki
korera ndoje kwa kirubia
karibu sana
na daktari ngwete ngwere serale buye njege ntongora simkenyi yeseruchi omanyete mnanjina abo bwali ya Patatinga kingu uche kwa ino monu bako nyaguwaka busa abantu bandi batanga bali ngoirana you know aba mwalimu wako deal na grown ups and you know to deal with grown ups ne basi enkomutali ntudo ari gutiri nebimwa tiga babamente boli chibesa na balo baisamike barala na barabumba somete babamente chibesa kusena bubaba warogeti tiga babamente chibesa bamanya kuirana ina ngosango sibabo kolera abantu ucheso wapanya na paka tutaki wacha.
Alright, asante sana. Thank you. Muli simia moyo kagana na kulirira ngaisi bisatu na kura bogoli na baadaye entuskasi nsamliende karatuchi kwa ndumu tumukoma kutanyere kombe kia maji baadaye tutakuwa tunarudi ewana 0741583878 samili ya jujumbe ndio chichiko cha chinyinge kulirira na akaili mogere akotabanga imeyo muroboli na akokrisana sebringere libi ya munyagitali ya kwerera ase studio bono mambia last call asebono ekeregelekio kireke gabono mambia kwana gona itubono mambia mutegerali ACMBO tiambuli e moyo kaiga matita tima itiyo sengba alikire kurugago birengerali bya bandeiga
kuro chisomo cha Facebook bagotabana no babo Bonaventure Omovisa Christine Mura San Kedomanga Starboy Emmanuel Mwaga negati abali bagenda etekorika kusiko sangana into ase umurobiro iga korende tibabwati tino zozo abekire maboli ande nigo babatanga no bale komo wika omoerio
kulingi madirisa atra baise kugenda mutumu kama mokeiga tunyora amangana magya samulinde tosuka sijiduka turakana jibili ibere isatu tukwirana ibirenge libia daktari asugure na mabuli abuli alafu baadaye sikimyegeke ntujukura twachikwenda samuli ya request bono mambia Yoro mwanchubuli toba isogusuka tuchale ene tuwandi ya getembe. Stay tuned. Toba isogusuka.
JMAP Preparatory School ni school y'umwano abana tukwirikia na gusoma chinga cyeciga school yekerero erosire ekerero naborukia banchire ni wizara y'ikiseme imeyensi ya Kenya school iganigo ibwate kurwa class ya play group gwika grade ya kane mbabwate ibirasi bisaine nkwegeria bare guhetanya masomo akawaida kwegeria bare French, sign language, music, chess, drama, dancing, abwasi biringo baika asenga tiga ni nationals egetiga isaina sebagutinira indagara across wa asachenire kegema babwato bosombi ibweskoro ebirengo by'uburendi eburigoro egekogero umwano akubeke kyara omanyigoswa nboigo ekaragosoka kurwa seskureyo tikya umwano aseskurega erasumuchie obusungu ensema ya jogo Aria St. Mark's bakere simyase namba 0726732322 JMAP Preparatory School jishinde ushinde.
Eduka ya Womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited Nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company namba yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chire cha mache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri kuririke iriya gatigati gwikari guri lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwocho bane chirangi wikabuno ragani bwocho bane erangi biga aseduke biga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege na muna ekale ya watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutari rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na bwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibira sara njibwa tokorelekana ukuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo musongo iyirange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Uru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarwa South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonya aiga ntobate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yetu nigo engale iyurengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa wigo kurigiria amabati aiga ntobate etime tembo abuwe bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberie kende gensi uraganie bago teberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuwiga bwata chi profile net gauges au na mono babwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerunge tato asama mabati aliaje chigech emerunge bire naisaro nesato babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile matte MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala buna bono lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na wigo na Green obutambe yebu mabwate yiga niko hobo kolengana amo nukwenya we customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakerenya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya sibika ayo chane warrant na wigo ayo orakoburu wikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex yumuchuringo musongo eyweranye neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eywere angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgwetra seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka kimyaka 49 ebinki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'umugusi negukinya umugusi ase eningo yae yabere gekurwa obukorere ase kinse mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bari kinse chimaiko ase wa Kenya pamoja sako yabere osira okonene ase abaremi ebyumbe chiskuru chikampani au abarikire abaritayire basibaliensemo ya pension boyko abonchereria ibotani na Kenya pamoja sako yonyore ubukoreri ubuya ase kinse muna obosemiguru y'ubutumiki bw'ikibesa chilon muna development loans, school fees loans, emergency loans, ebyumbe business loans, salaried loans na boygochi advance loans boygon korantura muri kibesa ase uri kuse mobile payments kabe oyomo wa Kenya pamoja sako yubwego kerie ayo onsi na yande amange amaya asamange batarire chiabo chire asumu chubusungu kahawa house raja moja asipara ya kisi sotik sibakire simyasi namba 0746-668-190 kuse ototarire website yetu www.kenyapamojasako.com.
Chama lieta ngoro kwa Isako Mwenga, CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sako. Sako ya Wakenya Pamoja ni sake kushughulikira members baye na chigurupu chiria chigokora savings wonko wake rabia isoko chora wa Kenya Pamoja Sako kune financial institution yao tubwate chipuranchi chito ikome na inya chire within gusi wanaintu tora wanago konyo mugusi soko liendelea ese biashara byabo ase sako na goseva ase sake ese wala join please nchubwango mo join tukini sako yito na gusi yito esa magendo wa Kenya Pamoja you our concern.
Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ikurwa amigiri yechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasaba kwigiria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurubare ikose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi ubusoni bw'icyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bari nambeyemo asugutwara kimoshen ichekerero n'ebindi binge nkwegeriye bari amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigun kwegeriye bari igorya pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwata computer n'ebintu ebinge by'okwegerya ICT gwetania skuru ndiyonse era sorgongoroiga
asa marieta ngurukwa alpato mariba mwalimu manne ogetwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire byasana asogotwa institution yegocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi asa abana bali bakole skuru asa isemi cyobufundi nabo boliri moleta abana wachese skuru ye linde banyore system cyobufundi byamo
boigon kwegerya bare electrical engineering power option boigo neroro asaba kwegerya igorye chinguru cy'umuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru cyo ase emeche n'iki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyindi munabono social work human resource management nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokya bobwate ubumanyi bebiringo bikoromono mbayitirine wizarega megeriya yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate n'umumurore usino mweseke Gitebe Technical Training Institute nike kutoka kilomita moyoka kurosomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakore konge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student Gitebe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretiro mwana ugetwebe security gere guaranteed. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togoson. Na yonyolire kwaretiro mwana atware skills tokonye Kenya yetu.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance. A company ya Falcon bonno nigo egukorereria amangana matununto asamatao aye umureme nigo bonno bakoretere embusuro y'ikibando eyo ya ETG M601 eyo ekwama asegeka cy'amatuko emye muna 25 wika emye muna 30 oka bandiga nigo egwichuriye buya asekemba gyonsi nabo ego ekobo buya amasakara kugunda na nigo teriko ibwa uburuire bw'ikibando betani gutibwa uburuire teriko leta bicondo bwege company yene bakoretere ubuyu busimeka bimeri bwa Kaino Music ubumentre NPK ubusyarira chikiro 50 nebere yuka aseka bwato buye bwa top dressing bukoro kwa Kaino Plus S ubu nigo gutumeka ubuyu chikilo 50 nebere nesano chuka aseka ubu nigo bukurenda ebimeri nyiriro lyawo ebyamentaliga kubwa abuli tangani company ga nibwate ubuwe wa Kaino Plus Gromax ubu bwate potassium salva naboigo calcium rasyarere ebimeri byo binde byonse bunabono amatunda onsi echae oboli tibando chinyende emesie ekawa na bimeri binde byonse ayugusimeka asiriruba ryeguse buyo wiga nyigobore ase chikilo 10 emerongerere nemerongethano igobogotoka ase eduka yokonya ebimerine chinyeke erangi nasore bakire simi ase namba 0788 000028 gosem 0705 725 735.
Enyagitari ya Nuga Best n'enyagitari ya Chirogu maso gusegasigire mechando aoya maroire ayo agendera ko bagabucanda mwanya bantu nigo babate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mugongo yanyinyitora emekia yane cyabuna chingurungo tukakire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemiremende emashini ye nigo eroseraniriye amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano Diamond tumenyam ayo agotumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best ni gobole oboigoro mono ase babwate michibi eyo ekugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst fibroids prostate enlargement egatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate mashine nde okubeka samarikao eyo kuyarungiya igati yobokoreri bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera lituko ochakera chinse 11 chamambya gweka chinse 12 chambagaroba Nuga Best nigo bagotuka imiyumu cy'ubusongo ase nyumba ya Uhuru Towers lirongo lya kabere ase bari nene ku chinse mu kire cya Kisi Kisumu
nchasa marieta ngoro kwanongaki anarwaleta marwa irara amange nkagenda chinya gitari yao korigyo bogwenya egere mbwene chinya gitari narete ne chininge konyoro bogwenya nkaiwa mariogo nkanywa lakini timbe tinkonyoro bogweni boikiranete keranacha Nuga Best ndashughulikerwa nkabango chakira lituko nkorara chimashini cha Nuga Best chimashini echinje abete chigonkonyo magongo yone nkabwena arthritis nkabwena asthma nkabwena pressure boiga na maro yenda amanga yarengo mubirone ntamanyete na wenete
asamange bakirisi ni gutera sete namba cyabo echo chire 0700260518 gose 0770268169 gose 0770410411 wigo nabukubatalira ase website yabo eyure www.nugabestke.com Nuga Best kutanga mbuya kubwa kubwenia Superstores Nero eduka asorgo gurigarwa South Nyanza yancheri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiriye amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyurengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa kurigiriya amabati aiga ntubwate etime tembo abuwe bago kolimiro ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebeliye kende gensi uraganie bago tebeliye company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuwiga bwate chi profile net gauges au na mono babwate no corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwate boomerang ayuari aye chigech emengetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro nesato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala buna bono lia Chaco Grey Bricky Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati yiga nigobo kolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa gutumika kinga gicho gwakerenya mabati yega ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onare kwa gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo chane warrant na boigo ayo orakoburu gwikasure asubwango eduke yega ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchigo busongo iyo irangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra sete namba chapa 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Karibu na ndo mwanchi umurigiriri Ogetembe television Ogetembe faima emambi ya bono karotura sensameli ya kane emambi ya bono asomurubuli bwetu wani ya Getembe karotura ndo mutu mokomoke ekonyora kwa buli ya mabuli ya go ayanda agendere guchagasi jujumbe sande sana buli bagendere kubuati ya bono mambi mheshimiwa MC omukoro Ogetenga ward umuske murara na batu ligireti.
Very good.
It's a very good feel by the do mo bwati mo konsana bwetu ani aga.
Umurayumu yo lengo mate.
Niji ko boli ndegeta. No murayumu yazano lengo. So thank you very much bwana Murara. Asante sana honorable Murara so tuligelia bono mambia. Kero tugire na mheshimiwa Dennis Babu. Amabuli arabuli guga tugende bwango bwangasa amabuli ayu kero ndo chiga bagende kubuli gaiga sembio. Lakini uyo lenga standby katuku kora rinko sawa numuga konkorogo nerega aliga tuska aibwan chete ko yue kuweya ayonsi ngochale badai liboli tangani walimu teachers go say lecturers serikali yatabiri yabaire kende nkibako nkimukuligika
you know our lecturer mbabwate right yo wakanu omusaro muya it's not only a right, it is a fundamental right. It is a human right. It is a universal right. Of course, from an article, a government yorokiri aguti kesi changa they have given something on the table. Kerewi kira mambo ya meshahara from the labor jurisprudence. Labor is about what negotiation. So these parties should sit down, they agree. So at the moment I can't say that who is right and who is wrong. This is a continuous negotiation. But you know there is a spirit of that kind of negotiation. I see the government supporting maitego ikatwali yo okoligere kabisa yani what is the inside of these two parties
kunengia
wakogera in negotiation to korugendo kamokire inganya onekera gukonyoma mogo amagana ichiombe otwarna karota ito korukomi gote na rure sana waja chiombe gose nane mwaja kanyoranga mwikire kianda wabate yama yatigai mwate to kuruchyo koson na mangana ya kuri ya leba na bari go there is no time nyone serikali nkageretera 100%. It is a give and take and it is a win-win situation. Now from the labor jurisprudence, a strike is a right weapon and I know a strike is legalized. Kwa hivyo the first instance the government has shown the positive side of giving a token. Like once square with something, hiyo si mbaya, lakini when to go to no, when to come in college, they come and sit together, they iron issues. From there we get the way forward, and that is the process mambo ya labor in terms of negotiation until they reach an amicable solution.
Mungana harassment simirimo.
It is rampant everywhere. There is a lot of harassment. Unajua abukala bantu bairete harassment yako baya basubatu.
Okuno kunererwa tokuroka.
Kunererwa. There are harassment get both men and women. Na wakanya yono musubati ole boss akwara asio musa umusaje. Lakini bono ni akarukoligeriya se instances chinge abantu abangu bako harassed na basubati. Harassment is not about sexual harassment. Harassment is very wide. Somebody can infringe your rights, like the way we have said, he wants you to work overtime. Muna wana usomusu wati wato mwana moke, nata kile kwe win between chip break in kego, hakawa ndogo nkio mwana. Actually, according to labor law, nyoni ige studio, isa kwa ngamu wata wasuwati wata wana wako hongi. There should be a special place wako enda wako nkeria wana. Neba nyona walimu everywhere. In fact, that is also part of harassment if you are not giving that opportunity. Harassment can come also, you delay their salary when they are asking you, you are not giving them the tangible grounds. And it is an issue now everywhere. And the law is very clear. Whoever is a victim, you need to report to the nearest police station and the law can take its place. So from where I'm seated, we condemn it for the terms possible, because in a civilized society, harassment is something which get encouraged. Even from the point of view, there are our matters, there are our platters, what and what.
Daktari kwa buchege songa sinini asenene yune rabangina bagandi ko igwali na bagakaka nyibike nga sike gusibye igabantu bayubuye okunereri oko
oko inwoko negente kebega nande kero gukirigireri okebwato bwakale
yes
kala bantu bayirete ngaba subati no bako goseruboka asegasi lakini kero kurigirera nyo nabasacha nkonereri bale chinchira chinyinge amana akwanire kero kwenda asegasi okora kurumami mpaka margoba gokorera serikali rishikebegete neringa kigase wenda gukora chinsa isane mo gosisana isatu kerego ikera onyetorigo ulio koligete akweli baga okore gase mapema one of harassment na harassment yende nerio konyora umusaro ugo ogocherewo aba oyo koligete gugochiko muboli kwanya ngatete gogote ngatete gukubuta kwigure inero namangana harassment na harassment ingine etwate baba sobate ko nyambale banyolira abana bake ali sawa kolegasi mbata kire ko nyora nyona serum akwendo gonkeri umwana disturbance yetayo nanda abasobati abaiga na wiki gati umwana na rualete na wenda ko automatically baga amurinya gita kwanyora nga kuna hiyo ekoro kungelifu abanyene kigasi okonyora bange mba understand tinga ki eitaringa nigenda ukweberere ine right na yande kwanyara gusoma mukoriga omonene gwigasi hata ito musubati rende babenero gusani uri okore gasi ali uchikwanga kwe gunyara kanya kumusumbwa iyi negendo getanchiri nyoneri chikorikoka yaligoka
right sante sana daktari ngatumyo kebugango igali bonirya boligu lakini ngandi kulibekera ni nelibo nabo atema turuta enkolengi boli ria singincho ba ebali babolinga abagabana ngosene buli namangano bokurumi lakini ekera tugeligelia mangano employment ali county cheito
abagabana ngoswana na bari kuri kwa emirimo kwa bantu kose barorekane bagoswana na asuko beka abantu asema baga emirimo muchando yinora sinsi yake
kerongoligelia Kenya yengu tota na bakristo tole munabona gusiga iga abaistie na abakiri na bakatolika lakini gonkuye boli lakini abakristo tole
yes
keronkoligereri kerego ikira mangana yokolika umatechi abaiga bakorerwe byonsi abande n'abasani baitu ngocha bado batotenga kya enga ikoga tukwa ukanyore gasi muno bono igana tu akorete interview nera segete umusani yone sana nkomuburi ngibona ngakya wakorete ukairwa ante betinga aya uri olenga se pande n'umusani yone andiko na mwire gendo wari igone besa ruete nkeyo kerato kunya koleranga amangana yobo kurumi atu affect yense ya itone county ya Gusii eshida nelinga okonyora umwana naro mutaka ule nkonyore opportunity ne opportunity ene na bayango chakonye family yao kwanyora umuntu etorure saule bwate kibesa okuru opportunity eyo kwale igomono kwa maganyora nga bono osene county gasi atangasiru oikomanya mu MCA nanonye tumwakirete kura tago konya umanya mu MP na gutira gukigoro mpaka se gabana umayete ntorigeri gabana yoga abe MCA mbachete Nairobi bakachikosero umanye to yo kweburi yakino yo no yo korwa njinkagirete ngene corruption akikoto uno bukuru igo egentekero ukerigereri obwagare okurigereri chinsama cyanse igo naliyoko wa fair wale muna na kwa ngunya gotumeke example kya retired chief justice Maraga umugako linjekera ngumurigereri ngoro angatanya kwa gunyone bribe yanti ngumanya lakini dewe nyone kara ukwana kera igura mangana ye bribe na be president ga ukan muna na morolire nyonye nanya go interact nere buya igo ase county yetu Gusii allegations nichi nyingi chia kwanirwa mangana corruption I know wose nabaturabe ndokora corruption 100% lakini ekerengo nkire getakeire to reduce muna togendete ne serikali yetu neyo no wachibu wa serikali na bali ase government na bagwenda ku kolenta policies chingia chirichi kogera amangana yo bukurumi egerake okogera yabona aguchiko kolinali bago muntu rula e family eri entakani fortunate go somuntu ole qualified wana ntega kindu yangu no bwata masakaraisa ine no somete kwa makanyoranga uko iruga ali interview for the sake of it oli otabwatia masakaraisa ine kwa nyoranga nero gochoro nyona ekero kurigereri gaki onyandirie kunyalekana kero kurige nyoni lichiko Kenya yaitokero muntu nabo onye kore qualified no bwate opportunity yoko bakende gyonsi lakini kero ko in college corruption in employment that is the worst thing we can ever do because we will affect the society.
All right, sante akaro chetulije tikokora kaiga sinchu jide kache mnyukire kigma nganitia se bwango iga edeke moyo kaiga chi service board public service board chiri chikolika chikomiti chikolika si county akiwo chirigere
chipoti jigana chirigere ira close they are the same people bono konyanga igavana kero yali geti chikura bali bale ngomo bwatesi abange inere promise wetu bono konyora kwa abantu yani uko bari wadi abantu abakubika bange igokonyora ngamba bwati bumanyibuya nabachiko bachi office ekyo mbali ko colleagues muna lichiko litakeire.
According to you they are not competent.
I'm not saying all of them. I'm saying a few bali rewarded umaiteti gwe gwegasi oisaine kero isaina ase gasi ina bogo perform na ino maitenga ki egasi igana nye twesa uli what chasyan kwarale lakini bonesa ulikuwa enge campaign kolina chiga ali laptop no na siasa okamo bwate sia kaira chikura kwanyoro ko ile gasi ina nto isaine ande nyona soko be kwabu ngonya kumanya nyona mangana recruitment ngakia koge aokoro what are the procedure and the process mwabe ka muntu ndo wensio wana akingu ko buri ndugu yane umuntu muno ina abe ko rase committee iyo nkiago chikokoro ona bwo babo chikunya kwegwa maki.
Thank you wana Daktari Dennis Babu Miruka besizide kachia kanire asing ncho tokuja kusangamo bono mambia sinchira bene kigma bono mambia setu ani Gatembe bono gadeti matita anything
asingenje biro nkagire tara kwane ekirengero kyae kya sasa nge ekirengero kyae kyo mwario kira to kurumuro biro
lakini andi nganere nakatotebiri ge ngabatebi inkie kigokwa
abagusi baminta simwabeta kingongo cyose cyagusi ngo bakirambiya mono abanene abake karo kurigere libona gas to ikeire kinga kieki generation ya chensi ya kire namangana maya generation ye abange na bunkori percent na basomera ki university ki college nkomera na ki Facebook ki TikTok ona yakero kurigere de 2027 toko genda nkagirete echenchi yetoroche chensi na wauta koira upper hand na nda abange na ubansokiri na wata itakondusie kirasi barori nga nimbwata a white of experience katukuligereria mangana academics tobo cha mangana ya sheria socio na numwe gure paka bona iga mangana yo incourt counseling because ya bantu baita bange gambata keire baikwang igobono the generation yere Kenya outside Kenya na igule bale motu saiti watebanga na isaneire obo senator 2027 and actually nibagenda ite campaign omaite kinendo kerera isi kera bantu baitabire gut no bwata chikura inje nimbwato kubwa muroje nga kibarandusie kirasi watebe nkondeta bale county ge njiko kora mangano oversight muna corruption yimwe kwanire ego ikase bintu bitali ko bekubuya koterende ekineke kogera kusie yaito echegendere tiakuligereria umuntu asarure family na wanda aru from a humble family lakini ndigereri ngaki potential kimbwata na injenge gwe opportunity egerensa abukisie buya tuligereri ngaki resources muna chi governance gachi abera accused about amangana unfairness in terms of employment wage bill corruption ntroche nganga yeserie kogendera gochi kero mwabekiro someone who is competent and you see usibona iga very corner at least kira so mwana na role university nje munande gachi university chia Kenya na asomiri yange chionse except Nairobi University igo ni maitenga even most of the people who are in employment some of them they have passed through my hands and these are the people ngochi kolirae asamangana ye campaign na andekero kuligereri ekenegento kia very decided na this generation igongo sabanyona banne abagaka abangina okromo igura about Babu Dennis Miruka okoboli obugabana echenjinere y'abantu bataite mbiya mono gusiasa mwabeta hadi obo senator
thank you Dennis Babu Dr. ase ayons tu akwanire igobono nere senate ganere 2027 ego chiko bakonya mangano oversight na andetalinga Dr. Gakine toyira nega hatosanga bange urishinga kikolengana na director nega ndo chichia kandi murulicha singa
mbiya mono sana
asante sana Daktari Dennis Babu mwalimu na ndo manyibuli chika soko bana intuboro mambia go sanga bange we wasangira
asante
karibu sana na inde daktari erinda sinyara go sanga na bodo tushukora mangana siasa mangana ya magendero na wiga mangana yichi semya sama tukaribu sio pia mona sana mwancho kurigera na wiga mwancho mutegereri chikuruko matinda baiwa pia mona sana asogo sanga kuruchinsa komina ivere baikawara kero otogo chakwareria onkolo
Mike Willis na awurfi matundura na ubara sensemli ende ko ne kinga byonse byabero bya mwanchu mulireli inchenkoro kwa Geoffrey Onsarigo ko ne chigake ndoke G for government officer onkoro ngo chariga iga seri ko stawa bye bye god bless Asibono.